precious people, welcome to Heart Joy Crochet. My name is Jill and today we will be learning how to crochet this beautiful heart. It involves a magic ring, double and triple crochets, a slip stitch and weaving in your ends. If you're not sure about any of these, just follow along with me or go to the tutorials I have linked in the description. Today you will need some yarn, a crochet hook, some scissors, and a tapestry needle. So I'm making my heart today with a worsted weight yarn, which is a medium thickness yarn, and also with a 5.5mm crochet hook. If you wanted to make your heart smaller, you could use a smaller hook and thinner yarn, or if you wanted to make it larger, you could just use a larger hook or different yarn. Okay, so I'm going to start with the magic circle. If you're not keen on using a magic circle, I do have a tutorial on how to make this heart without a magic circle. If you just click the banner above, that will take you to that tutorial. Okay, so I'm just going to start with the magic ring. Okay, there we go. Let's take the tail end out of the ring, keep it separate. Okay, so there's your magic ring. There's your tail end. Now we're going to chain 2. So 1, 2. Now we're going to do 3 triple crochets. So the triple crochets we yarn over twice. Insert your hook into the ring, making sure that you're getting the tail end and the ring together. So insert your hook, pull through, and then we pull through once, twice, 3 times for the triple crochet. Okay, yarn over twice into the ring, pull through once, pull through twice, pull through 3 times. We've got one more. Yarn over twice, into the ring, pull through once, pull through twice, 3 times. Okay, so there you've got 3 triple crochets. Now we're going to do 3 double crochets. So that's a yarn over, to the ring, pull through, 1, 2, yarn over, into the ring, pull through, 1, 2, yarn over, into the ring, pull through 2. Okay, so we've got 3 double crochets. Now we're going to chain 1. And we're going to just insert 1 triple crochet. So yarn over twice, into the ring, pull through, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now we've done this triple crochet here in the middle. That's pretty much the pointy end of the heart. So from here on end, we're working up the other side of the heart. So we're going to chain 1. I'm going to do 3 double crochets into the ring. So 1, excuse me, 2, so let me get a bit more yarn. 3. This is the 3rd double crochet. Now we're going to do 3 triple crochets. So yarn over twice. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over twice. 1, 2, 3. And I've got one more. 1, 2, 3. We're going to chain 2. 1, 2. Now we're going to do a slip stitch into the ring here. So put your hook into the ring, grab the yarn, bring it through, and then slip stitch. And now we chain 1. This is where we're going to cut our yarn. So make sure you've got a little bit decent end to weave in and cut. So where you've got your crochet hook, we're just going to pull it through like that. And then pull tight. Now, this is the end of the magic ring. We're going to pull that. So pull it as tight as you can. You can see the heart starting to form there. So just pull it as much as you want so the ring in the middle's closed up. And then pull this other end as tight as you can to make the V. And that is your heart. So now we're going to weave in the ends here. So just get your tapestry needle. If you don't know how to weave in ends, if you haven't done it before, I do have a video linked in the description. So I'm just going to quickly weave these ends in. So here you are, guys, with your beautiful heart that you just made. This is one of the first things I ever made when I was a beginning crocheter, and I was so happy with myself. I was like, I can't believe that I just made that. And it actually looks like something. It was so great. Thanks so much for joining me today, guys. I really appreciate it. If you liked this tutorial, would you give it a big thumbs up? And I'm really, really interested to see in the comments how you went with your heart. Okay, see you next time. Thank you very much, and bye for now.